Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is grab the very middle seam at the back of the train. Always start in the middle, and you're going to have 2 sets of ribbons. One near the bottom and one near the top. The ribbons are numbered. So we've got number 1 goes with number 1. A loop, this is a ribbon and loop French bustle, and you just tie it in a bow, nice and tight, but not so that it won't come open again. And you're going to repeat that process. You brings the hem up to where it's a danceable length. And you're going to repeat that process for this particular dress, 5-point French bustle. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the next 2 points, the next 2 ribbons, so that should be number 2 and number 3, and match to the loop that's also numbered correspondingly, and you're going to do the exact same thing. Thread one part of the ribbon through the loop and tie a bow, and you just repeat that. Then after this you go to points 4 and 5, and you will have a beautiful bustle. So your ribbons go 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3, 4 to 4, 5 to 5, and the result is going to be this beautiful folded effect, this beautiful cascading folded effect, which looks amazing on a dress like this. Okay, this graphic's corny. It's just corny.